Hello everyone, I'm going to do a quick combo video. I wanted to say thank you to Billie Holman Creations for the beautiful, wonderful flowers. And I did attempt to use your flowers in a crafting session last Saturday, but I used polyurethane and the bubbles. The bubbles, the bubbles, the bubbles. The bubbles are unreal. And yeah, I will be doing it again. I haven't done it yet, but I will be redoing this again. But it ruined the pretty flowers. Oh, it ruined the pretty flowers. It worked okay on the glitter around the sides, but it did not like the flowers, unfortunately. So I'm going to retry this later in regular resin, not polyurethane. I tried the semi-clear, which it came out, in some parts clear, but in some of the areas around the flowers, I don't know how close I can get this to be, but there are just awful bubbles. Just awful, awful bubbles in here. So I will be redoing this because I still have some flowers, and I'll show that next. Show you what I have left here. And don't ask me what kind they are because, yeah, I'm awful at, knowing flowers. These are beautiful. Look how cute they are. I used some of these in there. I still have plenty left. I used some of these. I think they're kind of sort of pushed, falling onto each other. Let's see if I can get it to turn around. They're gorgeous flowers that Miss Billie Holman actually dried herself. Beautiful, beautiful flowers. Thank you, Miss Billie. And these are, I don't know if the colors are coming through on my camera. This is my laptop. I'm actually fighting a migraine right now, so I'm not doing it on my usual computer today. I did one earlier today, and I can't sit up and sit at that other computer right now. So I should have done this one earlier, like a few weeks ago when they came in. These are some gorgeous. I'm not sure what these, like I said, I'm not a flower person. I don't know what any of these are called, but these are gorgeous flowers. I love the colors, especially these purples. They're just beautiful. I'm hoping this camera's doing at least some justice. These flowers. I'll say the only flower I have is my rose bush, which occasionally I'll snatch some petals off from and dry some of the individual petals. Occasionally I might get a decent flower off from it, and I'll pull it and we'll dry it. But it's not like a regular rose. It's like, I forgot what they called it. It doesn't look like, the long stem rose, but they're small. The colors actually look very similar to this color right here when mine dry out, and I have them over on the table across the room over there. But they're a lot smaller than this. They're fairly small. They're not very big at all. My rose. And it's kind of sort of, grown wildly out of control. It's more of like a wild bush tree because it's over 6 feet tall and like 8-9 feet around. She even sent me a beautiful card. And again, I do apologize for not getting this out sooner. You have a heart of gold. Dear Miss Coral, thank you so much for the lovely gifts you sent me. Here's some dried flowers you might use in some of your beautiful creations. Overcooked a few and left them in a little too long. They look great to me. I think they're absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, Miss Billie. Love and hugs. I think they turned out great. Now I do the same thing. I've put mine in and completely forgot about some of them. I did that with the gardenias that I got from my mom's gardenia plant when I did their 50th anniversary heart last year. Oh, and the purple glitter was the purple glitter from April. And of course they floated up on the back, so it was kind of sort of really, really prickly and stuff on the back. But I was going to, sand it back, but because of the bubbles and stuff on the front, there's no real point in bothering to sand the back down. So it's just something I'll have set to the side. And this one is what came in today from Miss Frances. I got some heart sequin glitter, big heart glitter, and some multicolor stars. Some pretty cool earrings. I'm pretty sure that's what's that look. Yeah, those look like earrings in there. Great for 4th of July. Beautiful, beautiful earrings, beaded earrings. Thank you, Miss Frances. Thank you, Miss Billie, and a whole bunch of hugs and kisses. Sorry, like chunky glitter, shaped. They call it shaped glitter. So there's circles and hearts and X's in here, and a couple of different pinks and reds, some dark colors, gorgeous colors. That'll come in handy for next year for around Valentine's Day or just any time of the year you want to make something. Mother's Day too, which I don't have any. I was trying to do the little tray for Mother's Day, but it kind of sort of, I was trying to rush it and I shouldn't have rushed it, and that's why I used the polyurethane. And she sent this pretty cool what's the film called? The fantasy film. She sent a oval shape of the cool fantasy film. I like that stuff. That is cool. Thank you. And we have some more different colors of the heart-shaped glitter sequins. Thank you. And the best part, let's see if you can see the picture on here. The mummy. Big old mummy mold. This will probably be one, if I should be able to do this if we have the live on Sunday on Miss April's channel on Dragons and Dresses. If she has her live on Sunday, then be doing that on there. Wanted to say thank you both so much to you wonderful ladies. I greatly appreciate it very, 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 very much. Thank you very much. Hope everybody has a great day. Hopefully this headache goes away. If anybody that's been, following the last couple of videos, I wasn't expecting this video to come out today. I knew she was sending a package, and I wasn't paying attention to the tracking that it was coming in today. Because my surgery's coming up. I had kind of sort of, brain fog, forgotten about paying attention to my tracking. My surgery's coming up, so this was, besides Sunday, this is probably the last video other than Sunday. I'm gonna try and get Sundays should be cast to my channel. If we go live on Sunday. Sorry, trying to think here. But yeah, Tuesday, having to drive up for the pre-op anesthesia to go through all the paperwork and everything you got to go through, anesthesia questions, long list of allergies, blah, blah, blah. Fill out paperwork, be told what time the actual surgery is going to be on the 22nd. And then I should be actually coming home, as long as there's no complications or anything on. I should be coming back home the same day. And then resting up for a week. And then we have a week of family. And then resting again for a week. And then we have a mini week of or weekend, or however long it is, hanging out with Miss April. So I'll see what I can get done after family's gone back home, and before Miss April and I head out on our little mini vacation that we do. Kind of sort of, I think it's just like a weekend, maybe a little longer than that. I'm not quite sure how long. I know the day we leave out, which I have it written down. I just can't remember off the top of my head. All right. Y'all have a good one. And take care. Hope you have a good day. And we'll be seeing you. Bye.